Let's see. Shall we try that? Pen drive? Anyway, because I like everyone to see the thing. Meanwhile, I can talk about something about myself. I was teaching many years in different schools. I was basically in North India. I was in Heritage School, Gurgaon, for 6 years. And in 2014, I have taken self-retirement from direct teaching and doing the workshops for science for teachers and students. So last 2 years when there was no workshop because schools were closed, no teachers were in the school, I started a channel known as Vigyanology. Start with B. Vigyan means science. So Vigyanology channel, which I start uploading one video each week. So more or less 68 videos are there. Maybe tomorrow one more video will be up, which is mostly the teaching video as well as activity. Most of it you can see, and I have tried to do some simple material, so you can acquire the material and you can do it. So that is what is there, and we will start very soon. But before that, requires loads of others to be sharp thinker and active learner. When you go back home today, you download a book or look up some of the brilliant scientists and thinkers around the world. Our quiz will be great, okay? So you will have a little problem. So first question to hydrogen. Which is the longest snake in the world? Yeah. Mike. Okay. Pass. Hillian. Wait, you got only 2 seconds. They have 5 seconds. It's not working, Mike.
It's Burmese python.
Burmese python? What do you mean by Burmese python? Particular name? Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So the reticulated python.
Right, there you are. Very good. So 10, 5, 4, 3. So we have reticulated python. What's your name? Tell your name, please.
So Shuto.
Right. So you are ready there, right? I thought it was too easy, but happens. Not too bad. Now direct question to helium. Wait, you can get 5 seconds. Don't switch off. You have to be very specific. Hummingbird happens.
The hummingbird.
Okay. Good. Do you know its size? Can you tell its size? Anyone? Its size. Bee hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world found where? Anyone? No.
New Zealand.
It's found only in one place. Cuba. And the size By the way, let me give you mass. Size is 2.4 inch, is about 6.6 inch. It's not that small. Okay, what's your name, please? Good. Okay. Now direct question to Vidya. Vidya, what is the nearest star?
Proxima Centauri. Proxima Centauri.
Okay.
Proxima
Any size? Any distance?
4.25 light year.
Okay, good. Clap. Proxima Centauri happens to be in a group of 3 stars known as Alpha Centauri, which total distance from our place is 4.37 light year around. This is 4.25. Absolutely correct. What's your name? Okay, this is good. Right. Okay, now to beryllium. It is the biggest telescope in the world. Time up. Quick. No?
James Webb Space Telescope.
Again.
James Webb Space Telescope.
Very good. Well done.
It's Ramdas Foundation. Raman Mission High School.
James Webb Space Telescope. Do you know where it is? Where it is established? Yeah.
So it's just launched last year.
Yeah. So you are well aware of it. Good. This space telescope is not on Earth. It's on space. It's rotating around us and taking photos. Good. Now for overall, last question of the round. This is very, very easy. Most abundant element in the universe.
The nitrogen.
Okay. Pass.
Aluminium. Hydrogen.
Hydrogen! I was just thinking, last space discussion happened and he explained so nicely. So everyone would have known. Anyhow, William got 4 points. Hydrogen is the most abundant. Hydrogen started. Okay, sorry. Thanks. Hydrogen is a, when you said helium, I thought you were saying answering. So hydrogen is the most abundant element and that started all elements. Good. So now we got one question for audience. What is the heaviest stable element found naturally? Yeah.
Lead.
Okay. Yes. What?
Osmium.
Okay, let's see. Yes? Right, uranium. Which one is stable?
Uranium 235.
238.
No, not you. she had to answer. Uranium, correct. Answer is uranium. Uranium 238, not 235.
Can somebody now team member give a
Okay,
pen?
one more question for the audience. What is the deepest point in the Earth's ocean? Yes. Okay, what is the depth? Good, good that you answered. Answer is correct. Not exactly. Yes. You see, there are a lot of controversy because Russians saying some depth or something, but actual the depth which is more or less approved by all is not 11,000. Yeah. Anyone else? Depth? Yeah. 8,009. Okay, very near. 10,009 to 9 is written here, but it's okay. Good, well done. Okay, so this is the first round. Easy round. Now we are going to differentiate. So this round, let me share with you that this will be all together. We will give you something you have to unscramble. That is, some letters will be there and a hint will be given to you as a card. You have to unscramble. We will show you what we are giving them, but you may not do the thing. Is a hint card given with the star. Let's start. So the moment you have done, whoever will say first will get maximum point and then slowly point will increase. We have two unscrambled left.
সেটাই জানতাম আমি কি ইউরেনিয়াম 235 রেডিও তো মনে হয় আসবে মনে হয় ইউরেনিয়াম 235
So, can you read your
This charismatic American physicist won the Nobel Prize for his work in quantum electrodynamics. He is also very well known for his style of explaining difficult concepts in a simple manner. Richard Feynman.
okay, right. So, others are still here. So, charismatic American physicist won Nobel Prize for his work in quantum electrodynamics. He is also very well known for his style of explaining difficult concepts in a simple manner. Answer: Richard Feynman. In fact, he has wrote a book. Surely you are joking, Mr. Feynman. It's amazing. Everyone should read. At least I have got lot of inspiration from that. Yeah, second. Can you read the clue?
This Indian aerospace scientist played an important role in India's space program. and missile development and came to be known as the Missile Man of India. He has also been a source of inspiration to many through his writings and speeches. So the answer is Abdul Kalam.
Okay. Right. Also he become president. No one else here? No. Oh my God. I thought so easy. No? Try. Okay. And reading the clues again, if anyone can try. The American woman was a marine biologist before becoming full-time writer. She famously wrote a biomagnification and raised awareness to lead the ban on DDT as a common pesticide. Anyone? Any idea? Yeah? Right. So, tell this. So, hydrogen, can you do this now? Tell again name. So, she also written a book, Silent Spring, which is so famous that I have not written there. It's card. Okay. Or Indian woman, this Indian woman is a scholar and activist and is well known as Gandhi of the trade. She did her PhD in quantum physics before doing interdisciplinary research in science, technology and environment policy. Also was a great activist in especially Narmada Bachao Rally. Yeah? Anyone? Yeah? Okay. Yes?
Vandana Shiva.
Right. So, do it this way. Good. Right. So, Vandana Shiva, she was actually a scientist, but gone and done lot of acting against Narmada Bachao. Actually, Narmada, we could not stop the time. Now let's come to this was not so difficult anyhow. The Indian American astrophysicist won the Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on evolution of stars. His name is associated with masses of white dwarf stars and when they become black holes. Start when you don't have letters, but still you can try. No, not exactly. Indian scientist. Indian American physicist. Yeah.
Chandrasekhar.
Right. Now do it. Okay. So great. Now two more clue for audience. This phenomenal Indian physicist was the first Asian to win a Nobel Prize in Science for his work on light scattering. Anyone? Yeah. Right. Right? C.V. Raman. Done. So we call it C. Venkataraman.
Chandrasekhar
That has not
Venkataraman.
been given to anyone. Raman effect is in his name. Although by the way, this last year I got him Raman award also. Anyhow. Now this may be tough, but let's see. First Indian woman botanist. She is well known for her efforts in conservation of plants as witnessed by Silent Valley National Park in Kerala. Her memory is preserved in white magnolias named after her. Yes?
Janaki Ambar.
Right, great! Well done. So develop variety of sweet sugar cane to be grown in. Well done. Okay. Now we are starting the next round. Next round will be practically shown to you. Sir? 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 Begin on here. Okay. And please, you don't tell answer, but later on we can discuss. Sir, camera. Can it be here?
Camera already doing the capture. It will capture.
No. I want that to be viewed too.
It is automatically it will come. It will start.
No, but can you view it here? The table. Focus should be the table.
Yeah. They are doing it.
Can you fix it?
Yeah. They are doing it.
Concentrate to you. Observe carefully. See? Indian.
I think some chemical reaction happened here.
Oh, great.
So I think its potassium permanganate is occurring in the second glass, and then I'm not sure about it.
Is it phenolphthalein, sir?
A little more
Okay,
details.
so,
Just a second. Yeah, you can tell.
yeah, so
So we
initially,
have A, B, C. Tell.
so first you're pouring from A to B, right?
Yeah.
So I think B has phenolphthalein solution and you're pouring an alkaline solution into it. So it's turning pink. But then you're pouring that into an acidic solution and that's turning colorless because phenolphthalein solution is a pH indicator.
So it's a phenolphthalein solution which makes any alkaline solution pink. So first part was phenolphthalein already given here. So here was sodium hydroxide which we poured it here become pink. And then here was hydrochloric acid when we poured it here become color. It's a very simple thing which always when I do in the with a birthday, some birthday activity I have gone, they were saying magic. So magic is nothing but science. Yeah, next. It's a very simple one for helium. You can see this is just a doll. This does not fall. Okay? I have a better version here. It's falling out of it, but okay. So why it does not fall?
Its center of mass is much lower. So when it tilts, its center of mass doesn't get out of the touch point, the touch surface.
So
And so as the center of mass doesn't get out of the surface, it's touching, it doesn't fall. It's
it comes back.
yeah.
Good.
So what's happening when it's tilting, right? The center of mass rises. So basically you want like the lowest potential energy is like the most stable state, right? So when it's like stable, its center of mass will be right at the lowest point. But then when it tilts, its center of mass is rising because of its orientation. So it goes back to the lowest potential energy state. So it's like a pendulum sort of, but then not exactly.
This is the best answer. I don't know if you have done it. Right. No, I mean, when this is tilted, then the center of mass has changed. So it makes it back to there. So yes, just like that. Great.
আচ্ছা ওরা আরেকটা নম্বর পেল না সেটা কোথায় লিখলো? It's a very simple question. Question is yeah, there's no magic in it. Ready? Observe with you. Oh, children is not good. Let's try one. Any? The question is, which, what is the principle? Newton's third law.
Newton's third law.
Right. So it's Newton's third law. Do it. And then do it. Don't put it on that. So it's, yeah, you want to say something? Nothing helium got, no? Oh, right. They can't see the marks. Yeah. Who got more beryllium? Pass, do what? No? So 3. Oh, now this question. This question I am not aware. Oh, phenolphthalein was Okay, just
Phenaphthaline
correct
was
me,
asked
I
to
don't
hydrogen.
remember. Correct. Right. Okay, so marks. It was direct question to first. So 5, 4, 3. This will get 3. Right? Got it? 5 is now. 5 is this question. Right. This should be before. Correct? Sorry, I am not. Is it okay? Can you see the marks here? Any discrepancy?
Now it's okay.
Anyhow, there is a little failure. It usually goes very fast. It's known as balloon rocket. Anyhow. Let's come to next. So now Meridian's turn, right? So it's a very simple thing I'm doing here. 2 ice cubes. Join. Right. You have to tell phenomenon as well as risk. 2 ice cubes pressed, released, enjoy.
There is a thin layer of water on the surface of the ice. When it is pressed, the water becomes water surface, but when it is released, the temperature again goes and pushes backwards.
Yeah. First you have to tell the term first. Then term.
Is this phenomena condensation?
I think it's a recondensation.
Anyone? Term. Yes.
What's the principle in the increase of pressure when
Just a second. Yes. Term. Yes. Raise your hand. Tell term.
So regulation.
Right. There you are. Great. Tanya. Regulation. Yeah. Reason you have said more or less correctly. But okay, now last question to go on. Okay, one of you can come. About the Sorry, it's difficult to show. I don't know how to show. Can you see water here? Which height? Which height did you reach? Yes? Oh, acha, you are adjusting. Can you adjust here? No, right height. This. Oh, you can see water there. I think someone nearby be cautious.
Sodium.
You are giving here. There is something.
Sodium.
Okay. So what is the phenomenon? Can you explain?
So I think sodium is
Then why first? Why fire on water? Yeah, it's sodium in water. Sorry for. I hope it does not burn anything. So sodium in water is burst, and can you explain? Can you read the equation?
এখানে সোডিয়ামের সাথে জলের বিক্রিয়া এনে হয়েছে এবং H2 উৎপন্ন হয়েছে।
And why fire?
এই অংশের জন্য ফায়ারিংটা হয়েছে।
Exothermic reaction.
Right. Let's see. Anyone can answer this? This is without.
The reaction is highly exothermic and the hydrogen gas produces lights in the fire. The hydrogen gas produces lights.
Okay, good. So basically, sodium reacts with water and it's highly exothermic reaction. This is spontaneous ignition. Is one of the examples of spontaneous ignition where hydrogen is evolved and hydrogen also burns. Sometimes when we do this, when we take very small amount, it rotates and does not burn. Then we simply take little fire and burn it. Fire is happening on water because of hydrogen, which is highly hot. Okay, good. So we have one or two more items for audience. So this read here because this is a little tricky. He does better than me. Not face. এখন No, just that one does. Okay. So, have you seen it? So we have, let me explain a little bit. There is a pencil battery, there is a screw, and there is a neodymium magnet below, and a wire is connected, it's rotating. You have to explain the phenomenon. Yes? Yes? Okay, very good. Can you tell the name of it?
Balachakota.
Yes, who was it? Who said?
Balo.
Who said homopolar motor? Yeah, come. Yeah, guys, come. So both of you come. Please give a pen to it.
Please stand up.
Please stand up.
Please stand up.
Okay. Done. Thanks. So now we have some photo session. We will show you a photo. Photo will not be shown for a long time. So hydrogen will start. Okay, we can start the round this time from here. This side. Okay, boron can start. Round will go back. So in this round you have to observe the picture and identify the image. Okay? So first question goes to boron this time.
It is the eye of a fly.
Great! Eye of a housefly 15,000 times. Great! Okay, coming to next round for beryllium, right?
Picture of a black hole. Can you please show me? I think it's the Sagittarius A.
Clap, clap, great! This is the actual picture. The picture which has been given in the newspaper was not actual. It was vague. The actual picture was vague. Yeah. Now can you guess how we have taken picture of a black hole? Yeah.
Beryllium.
By looking at the accretion disk.
Beryllium. Beryllium.
No, that's we have given the point.
So there were many radio telescopes all around the world, and all together formed a large telescope. That kind of thing.
Okay. So it was very, very amazing to get a photograph of a black hole which takes light also. Anyhow. Okay. Now third question to lithium. Yeah. Okay. The question was not exactly that. Question? Correct. Okay. Now tell. Okay.
Picture.
What?
It's big.
So, anyhow, fine. We won't do that. If not, we can cancel it. But the thing is that, tell me, which region it goes? I mean, why it needs to eat insect? Yeah.
The area with poor mineral like
Now the plant cannot
Which mineral?
nitrogen.
Right, dear one. Then I will. Yeah, with your body. You got it.
Lithium gets eight. Lithium gets eight.
Excitement. Say, let's come to fourth. It's a very simple thing, but you have to name the actual idiom.
Sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer.
Sphygmomanometer. Okay? That is a blood pressure instrument, very common. Do you know how it works? What is the? Yeah, what is in it? Yeah, why we say the blood pressure is 120 by 80? Yeah.
So basically when the ventricles of the heart pump blood, right? So ventricles have like a higher pumping force because of the thicker muscular walls. So like a higher pressure goes to your arteries. So over there you get like a higher pressure which is called systolic pressure. So that's on top which is higher. And the other one is diastolic pressure.
Yeah, but why 120 by 80?
Because that's the pressure that it pumps out. Like that's just like a value.
Yes. Yes, anyone in the audience? You know what is atmospheric pressure? What is it? How much? How much?
76 centimeter.
We say 760, right? Because 760 millimeter of mercury column equals that. Same way this 120 millimeter of mercury equals the higher blood pressure. Okay, now next question. This is to admit it. This is the animal structure which can be seen from space. Okay, so yeah,
I think it is a round setu.
I will show later.
Great better.
Right, here you are. Hold on, hold on. Now I am showing you it. Great Barrier Reef, which can be seen from Moon, and it's a little far from Australia. This coral reef has been produced only by corals. Now the audience. Sorry, picture now we don't have it. Yeah. So last round is video round. This video is quite long video, you will be confirmed. Okay? So we will again start with 100. Yeah, hydrogen, can you tell what is this?
Values which can be observed from Alaska and Iceland.
Great, Talia. Here your question is, what is the phenomenon? Not what is, you just have to say what is the phenomenon.
একটা অ্যানিমাল মনোবল গঠন করে একটা অন্য একটা অ্যাকোসিডিউ তৈরি করবে।
Yeah, it uses pseudopodia. The
Phagocytosis.
Right, very good. So the phenomenon known as phagocytosis, PHAGOS, phagos means to eat. Mind is what? Can you hear? Okay. And cytosis because cell is eating. True, it makes it good. But pseudopodia is not that. Okay, next. For lithium direct question. Phenomenon. You have to tell the phenomenon.
Oncoadgan.
Okay, this is too long.
মৃদভেদী অঙ্কুরোদ্গম। So germination?
Autotropism.
Autotropic movement. I'm showing you the whole thing. Wherever light is, that side, light moves. It is autotropic movement. Can you tell why this happens?
So basically, like for the light, there's like a plant enzyme, right? So forms, right? Oxygen, right? Oxygen. So basically, what happens on the side as light falls, like the oxygen molecules don't like lengthen the cell, and on the so like oxygen saturation increases on the darker side. So like it increases on that side and like bends towards the light.
Okay, correct. Okay, now direct question to very clear? So you need not say what is this. You don't know what is this. You have to say the chemical responsible for it.
So like, we don't know the chemical, but the phenomenon is bioluminescence.
Okay, good. Clap. Well, can anyone say what is the chemical responsible? Yeah.
Phosphorus.
No? Yes? Yes. Yes. Luciferin, luciferase and luciferin, two chemicals are here. So, okay, we are giving you the marks. Now, hold on. You have to say the phenomenon. No? Phenomenon. Anyone? The phenomenon of plant plastids moving inside the cell. Yes? Again? Yeah, but there is a name of that phenomenon.
Photosynthesis also.
Okay, well tried. Yeah. No. It's cyclosis. Known as cyclosis. Strangely, plant cell also have this movement to exchange materials. Okay. Now, question for audience. What is this and why this happens? Yes.
Sir, these are sunspots. This occur due to the deviation of plasma.
Again, what is it?
These are sunspots.
Right. Clap. Now last one again for audience. Term, you have to say that term.
कैलकुलेट करके बताओ कम है कम में कैलकुलेट एंड टेल मी और लाइक चल कैलकुलेट ओके फाइन right
Yeah, phenomenon.
Here.
Yes.
सर कैमोफ्लेजिंग
Right. Now, strangely, strangely, this camouflage is being done by many animals, but octopus does marvelously. We came to know very recently. Yeah. Okay, done. Thanks a lot. Can you? Yeah. So first is very new with 50 points. Second is medium with 34 points. Medium with 26 points. Just a little bit. 25. So it was fun to have. So I suggest you please read those books like Silent Spring by Richard Johnson. He has changed the whole world, saying that a spring will come where no bird will chirp. That was the first line.
Yeah.
My name is Ranjak Sundar and I am from Ramohan Mission High School. I am Shansha, I am from St. Francis Xavier School.
I am Shruta Day from the Heritage School.
William.
Anyone wants to say something? I'm sorry, it was not organized properly, but was not corrected properly.
I am Rupert Roy. I am from Morning Birds Academy.
Anything I can answer.
I am Harman Chakravarti from my Sri Ramakrishna Ashram Vidyalaya.
I am Devjit Das from Belgade Jatindas Vidyalaya.
I am Deepan Barbat from Ramnagar MBPC High School.
Sampudan. Third one. Third. Lithium. Third lithium.
Tanushka Shaha, Dandan Anandasam Shara Vidyapit. Born in a row of Khalsa Senior Secondary School. I'm Sneha Ghosh from the Eastern